Welcome dear student in the next practical, that is for the identification. So in the previous practical we have observed that about the question number 4, question number 1 to 3 where the actual practical is there, question number 4 where the identification and you have to write the characteristics. So question number 4, spot A, in the previous practical we have checked that is the type of pollination, either the self pollination or either the wind pollination or the insects pollination will be there. And for that one more is additional, that is about the experiment on controlled pollination or the hybridization technique. Okay, so technique of hybridization. So here only the specimen will be arranged there, you have to identify and you have to describe. So here about the controlled pollination, now I will show how this particular practical is there, but in exam time you don't have to perform anything, you simply have to identify and you have to write what are the description regarding the same. So here technique for the hybridization, which is having the three main parts are there in this. One is emasculation, second one is a bagging, and third one is a tagging. Okay, so in this technique how the process is there, that we'll just see. First, that is about the emasculation. Emasculation means what you already learned in the theory part, that is the removal of the anthers, removal of the male parts before the anthesis. Removal of the anther before the anthesis means remove the anthers before opening the flower. That is called as the emasculation. So we'll remove the male part from the flower. So the flower will be only the unisexual flower and it will have the only female parts. And then you have to do the second one, that is you have to cross. So after removing this, you have to does the pollen grain of the another flower which is of the another genetic character, and then you have to follow the bagging. So you have to cover that flower so that no other whatever the pollen grain will enter inside. And then the tagging. So tagging means you have to write the information regarding this plant. What is the name of the male plant, what is the name of the female plant, when the emasculation is done, and when this pollination is get done, so that you get the detailed information regarding that plant. So in this we can see here the flower bud is there, which is in the bud condition. This bud get opened, then the removing this what the stamen parts are there, stamens you have to remove only, so gynoecium will remain. Then afterward you have to bag this flower with the polythene bag, okay, or any butter paper bag, so that no other pollen grain will enter here. So and you have to style one tag with this where the all information is there regarding the flower. Regarding this in your journal, this answers are there which I will post in your group. So that time simply you just write down the answer how as it is. Okay, diagram and nothing you have to write, only just you have to remember this. Now I will show actually how this process is there. I don't have the pot now, I have brought the branch of the plant. This is about the hibiscus flower. Okay, the hibiscus plant is there. So this you consider it is a potted plant. Here we have to follow the process of the hybridization. Okay, now this flower is there when it is in the once it is in the bud condition. Suppose this bud is present on this plant, you just consider, just demonstration I am showing. So before opening this you have to remove the stamens from this. So what the male parts are there, so all the stamens will remove. This all stamens are there which are you have to remove, so that this flower will become a unisexual flower. Okay, so in exam time this way the potted plant will be there, and on that the flower is present, and this flower, if the flower is without the stamens, so this all stamens I will remove. You have to make this flower unisexual, you have to make this flower female flower only, male part you have to remove, so that the desired character male part, it means the pollen grain, we can dust on the stigma. This thing you have to do before opening of the flower. Okay, again I am repeating, you don't have to perform anything in the exam time, you simply have to identify this. That's for the question number 4, spotting. So this way, suppose the plant is there which is a potted plant, and this flower is present in this and there is a no stamens, no this the male part is there, no androecium. Then for the identification, what you write? You'll write it is a technique of hybridization and emasculation. Okay, for writing only for this you get half mark. Then you have to describe what is emasculation. So what is emasculation? Emasculation, that is a removal of the male part, removal of the anther before anthesis. That's it. You get the half mark, remaining half mark for this. So for this whole you get the 1 mark. You have identified that it is a technique of hybridization. In a bracket you have written emasculation. So emasculation is get done. Then below that for half mark you write what is emasculation. Emasculation, that is a removal of the anthers before the anthesis. Okay. Now next step. Suppose this flower is there. This flower is having the one polythene bag with. So plant is there with the flower, and this flower, it is a close inside the bag. If this is a potted plant, and like that, suppose here the plastic bag is a present, which is a with the closed flowers. So this is the second step. First step what you have done, that is emasculation. Second step, that is a bagging. So bagging, why? To avoid the entry of the unwanted pollen grains. Okay, so suppose like that potted plant with the flower emasculated and the plastic bag. What you'll write here? You'll write it is a technique of hybridization where emasculation is done and the flower is get closed with the plastic bag. So it is having the emasculation and the bagging technique. Two steps are covered. Okay. And then you have to, for that you get half mark. Then you have to write why bagging? To avoid the entry of the unwanted pollen grain in that particular flower. Okay, so for that you get the half mark. So this is the second step. Third step is there, that is about the tagging. So this way the tag is you have to prepare. Okay, so those who are doing this hybridization technique, they do everything properly. So this way the tag on which you have to write the name of the male plant, name of the female plant, then the date of emasculation, date of pollination. So like that here, suppose the tag is a present along with this flower, along with the plastic bag. Okay, then you have to write all the 3 steps. You have to write all the 3 steps, that is emasculation, bagging and tagging. So all the 3 steps are covered in this. So that's why all the 3 steps you have to mention. Then you get the half mark for the identification, and then you have to write what is emasculation, what is bagging and what is tagging. So all the 3 you have to write in short for getting the half mark. Okay, so like that here the plant is there, flower emasculated with the plastic bag and with the tag. So what you write here? You write it is a technique of hybridization, emasculation, bagging and the tagging. Okay, for that you get half mark. Then what is emasculation, what is the bagging and what is the tagging? In short you have to write, then you get the whole 1 mark for this. So this is there for question number 4, spot A, which is there for 1 mark. Question number 4, either the wind pollination maize plant will be there, or the insects pollination salvia flower will be there, or any one step of this hybridization technique, either only emasculated flower or emasculated flower with the plastic bag, or the emasculated flower with the plastic bag and with the tag. So here this way anyone will be there for question number 4, spot A, for 1 mark. Clear? So fully understood about this. So this is about what? About the practical, that is about the hybridization technique. Regarding the same, here I will describe in the when we'll come back that time again we'll check this. Okay, but you have to write everything in your journal, whatever I have explained you have to learn it properly. Okay, in the theory part also some whatever the topics are covered regarding this practical. Now I'll just discuss regarding the how this technique is Then regarding the same, I will post some photographs also. Okay, how actually is get done. Here you write the date. Everything is as it is written. You don't have to write anything. Now here you have to write the answers for this question. What is emasculation? It is a process of removal of the stamens before the maturity to avoid self-pollination. So before the anthesis. Before anthesis means it get opened. So before this maturity to avoid self-pollination. So same pollen grain should not get deposit on the stigma. Okay. So for that purpose you have to remove its own anther. Clear? And this the different methods of crop improvement. So different methods. This you will learn in the theory. Hybridization is there. Okay. So just now what we have done, that is hybridization. Genetic engineering is there. Okay. Related to what the genes. Tissue culture. So from the small tissue we get the many number of the plants. Mutational breeding. So you have to make the changes in the genetic characters. And polyploidy to get the maximum number of the seedlings. Okay. So these are various methods are there about the crop improvement. What is hybridization? So hybridization, the process of crossing two genetically different species of the plant is called hybridization. So two different plants you have to cross. In previous just now what we observed that one male plant is there, another female plant is there. So both are having the different genetic character that you have to cross. So that is called what? Hybridization. What is the purpose of bagging the emasculated flower prior to artificial pollination and after artificial pollination? So after emasculation, the flower are covered with a small bag. Why? To prevent the pollination by undesired pollen grain. Undesired pollen grain should not come and stick on the stigma. Otherwise, whole process will get spoiled. So that for that purpose, here bagging should be done here prior to the artificial pollination. So why we do this artificial pollination means when the pollen grains are get mature. Once you remove the pollen grain, once you remove the stamens from that, you are closing that flower with the bag, and then afterward when you get the mature stamens, you have to remove the pollen grains from that, and that pollen grains you are dusting on the same flower, okay, which is already closed by the plastic bag, and then again you have to put the bag so that only desired character pollen grain will pollinate there and will fertilize the egg, and you will get the desired character seed afterward. Why is it that the anthesis, emasculation and actual crossing are preferably done early in the morning or late afternoon? So what we know that most of the flowers are open early morning. In the some plants, second peak is at the late afternoon. So different type of the plants are there. Some plants flowers get open in the early morning. Some plants flowers get open in the afternoon time. So to avoid self-pollination in the flower, emasculation and actual crossing is done early morning or the late afternoon. Depends on the type of the plant. Where the flowers get open early in the morning, in that cases the emasculation is done in the morning time. Where the flowers get open late in the afternoon, that time is get in the afternoon. Okay, so this is what is about what the answers are there about this practical. So this is a very small practical, that is for 1 mark, but 1 mark is also important. If you lose the identification, if you lose the describe that particular step, you may lose the marks. Okay, so thank you.